How can you own a laptop for over 5 years now? And the only thing that you can boast about is that you can use Microsoft Word. No, 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 no. Let it not look like I'm coming for your neck. Oh. I know that there's a category of people that don't even have or can afford a system right now. But sometimes most of those people complaining, their phones are even more expensive than a system. Now, I'm not trying to say you should forfeit the pleasure of having a smartphone and buying a system, but I feel a lot of creators have done so much justice on smartphone productivity, but nobody's really talking about the essence of having a personal computer. For this, I think I need help. Come away. Sit down. Thank you. What do you think about this matter? How about the ones that have watched 5,000 movies in 5 years? That's true. The only time they have ever used their system, now wow, is for project topic. How about the ones that cannot afford no? My brother,